What's up, everybody? Alex here with Lord Jesus ATV Repair and Customs, and today we're working on the Banshee again, and just got the front brake lines on, and now I'm gonna do the back. All right, everybody. So I got busy putting together the whole quad. I didn't film all the parts, and so this is it. It's pretty much all together. It has this ribbed seat on it, and the customer is actually going to get this thing restored, this seat restored, so we're not worrying about that. And then but other than that, the whole quad's all together. Not everything got powder coated, but it was pretty nice, being that we got the frame powder coated and the swing arm. So right now it's wet because I just washed it, because I took it for a ride and got it dirty. And there's still a few things I still need to button up on it, and that'll be in the next video. I'll show the riding video of this thing, so I still gotta like tune it a little bit. It runs good though, runs very good. But there's the Banshee as of right now. Sick. I took it for a ride, and this suspension is crazy. It's like perfect. It takes all the bumps like nothing. And then what else? Yeah, it's fast. It's super fast. Got the ASB levers on there. I'm gonna put some new grips on still. Brakes work, lights work. It's really cool quad so far. But yeah, anyways, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and Lord Jesus Christ bless you. Bye.